Got DV4 footage from a Bosch security camera system and need to review it? This is proprietary video format from Bosch CCTV equipment. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through playing these Bosch security systems CCTV video files. If the standard fixes fail, I have a plan B, a proprietary technique that almost always works on stubborn DV4 files. DV4. Files are video recording files created by Bosch Security Systems CCTV equipment for surveillance and security monitoring. They contain compressed video footage with embedded timestamp data, camera identification, and event metadata used in security investigations and surveillance system management workflows. DV4 files use a proprietary video format specific to Bosch security equipment containing compressed video streams with embedded metadata. The format includes timestamp synchronization, camera identifiers, motion detection events, and authentication data, ensuring chain of custody for security and forensic applications. The DV4 format is inextricably linked to the application Bosch Security Systems Archive Player from Bosch Security Systems. The file requires external codec support that Windows does not provide natively. Windows previews many video container types, but effect editing needs professional software. Initiate the compatibility test by right-clicking your DV4 file and selecting Open With. If Bosch Security Systems Archive Player is on your PC, test it. If not, select another program from the list and see if it works. If your DV4 file will not open, do not worry. The highly specific nature of the DV4 file means general fixes are useless. Let's quickly verify these essential items before we dive into the repair. First, playing in Bosch software. Install Bosch Video Client or Bosch Configuration Manager, which natively support DV4 video files. Open the application and use File then Open to load DV4 footage. The software displays video with timestamp overlays and supports multi-camera synchronized playback for investigation review. Next, using Bosch Video Player, download the free Bosch Video SDK Player or Bosch Recording Station Viewer from Bosch's support website. These dedicated players handle DV4 files with full feature support, including export to standard formats, authentication, verification, and frame-accurate playback for forensic analysis. Finally, converting to standard video. Within Bosch Video Client, export DV4 footage to MP4 or AVI format using the export function. Configure export settings for time range cameras and quality. Standard format files play in any media player and integrate with video editing software for evidence preparation and presentation purposes. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.